begin this haircut, I start by brushing down the hair and creating my guideline using my trimmer. I'm creating a little arc-shaped guideline and removing all the bulk underneath, followed by the shaver. Then I'm going to take my wall color pros with the lever open and no guard and go up about half an inch. I'm flicking out to create softer guidelines. Then using my one guard with the lever open, I'll create another guideline with the same width as the previous one. Then using no guard with the lever closed, I'll blend in the bottom line, and I'm slightly adjusting my lever as I go up. Then, using my half guard with the lever halfway open, I'll blend in anything underneath the one open guideline. Then, using my number 3 with the lever closed, I'm going to remove bulk above the number 1 guideline. Then using my 1.5 guard with the lever closed, I'm going to blend in the number 1 guideline up to the 3. Next, using my trimmers, I'm going to line up his C-cups. Then using my shears over comb, I'm going to focus on detailing and specifically targeting any little dark spots to make the fade look smoother, since his hair is broken and has a rough texture to it. Then I'm going to use my thinning shears to soften up the blend a bit more. And detailing with the corner of my clipper. Now moving on to the back, I'm going to set my first guideline using my trimmers and then remove all the bulk underneath it, followed by the shaver. Then using no guard with the lever open, I'm going to create my first guideline going up about half an inch. Then I'll create my next guideline using the 1 with the lever open with the same width as the previous guideline. Then with no guard with the lever closed, I'm going to blend in the bottom line, and I'm lever playing as I go up. Then using my half guard with the lever halfway open, I'm gonna blend in the line underneath the 1. And again, as I'm moving up, I'm opening the lever. Then using the number 3 with the lever closed, I'm gonna remove some bulk towards the top. Then using the 1.5 with the lever open, I'm gonna blend the line in up to the 3. Then I'm gonna follow it with my thinning shears and soften everything up. Then I'm gonna detail further by point cutting any little dark spots. For the remaining bulk on the occipital, I went ahead and got rid of it using clipper over comb. Then using my trimmers, I'm gonna line him up behind the ears. I'll use the corner of my trimmers to clean up the arc behind the ear. And again, using the corner of my trimmers, I am now going to create a freestyle design on the neck taper. I like to think that the corner of my trimmer is like a pencil when creating a design. After using my trimmer, I'm now going to apply some shaving gel before I use my straight razor for the design. Now using my straight razor, I'm going to go ahead and detail the design. And I'm making sure, no matter what angle I'm shaving, that I'm always pulling the skin to avoid cutting my client's skin. Once finished, I'll clean up the excess gel using a towel and a bit of water. And then finally, I'm going to be applying some enhancements to make the haircut pop out more. Then I finished off by applying some matte paste to his hair to give him a messy look. For this specific haircut, my client wanted to keep the length on the top and didn't want the front lineup lined up. And here's the final result.